I wanted to find out, because despite reviewing cars for more than 13 years, I have never driven a 4Runner. As it turned out, it is far less compromised than I was expecting. Yes, it's rougher than a Highlander, yes, it's slower and less efficient, yes, the steering is slow and the handling worse. And given its advanced stage, there's a lot of gray at its temples. There is no safety tech available, the touchscreen is rinky-dink and you actually have to hold down the turn signal stalk to make it blink 3 times. And yet, the 4Runner is also substantially more interesting and characterful to drive than virtually every similarly sized crossover without being hopelessly truckish. It also is of a just right size, especially in terms of its cargo area, which is usefully large and boxy at a time when most crossovers are losing practicality in favor of stylishly raked D-pillars. That makes it better for hauling around bulky items. It's just about perfect for big dogs. They'll love the huge rear quarter windows, and that flat, upright tailgate allows for perhaps the 4Runner's coolest element, the roll-down rear window. Correct me if I'm wrong, but only the 4Runner and its Sequoia sibling feature one.